Good morning, my lovers. I'm back out on the field, feeling a bit worse for wear. Right, I got a lovely signal down here. Right there. What he said, it was quite loud. It was lying on the surface. Musket ball. Ugh. Oh, I got something nice down this here hole. You see a bit of dark soil. Yep, just there. Just here. It's in here. Ooh, can we see an edge? Possibly. Oh, it's a pesky button. It is a pesky button. Got anything on it? Let's give it a quick rub on the magic trousers. No. Got some gold though. Just a small bit. Just a small bit of gold. God, I thought this signal was going to be a bit of cack, a bit of iron, but it's not. It's right down there. You know, that's, what's that? Depth on that. Let's turn it off. A good 10 inches. And it's a medieval pot mend. Yeah, a pot mend. They used to mend their pots with lead. It's got some lines on it. Perhaps the pot had decoration. On to the next. Oh, we got something down this here hole. You see a bit of dark soil. We've got a bit of dark soil down here. Oh, there she blows. What's it going to be? Not a pesky shotty. It is. I feel terrible. Yep. I'm feeling pretty bad. I had a bit too much whiskey last night. Oh, I got a bit of an iffy one here. It's in there somewhere. Ooh. Yeah, definitely a bit iffy. Let's get rid of these dissected worms. Right, where's my pinpointer? Oh, it's on that side. Right, let's turn that off. It's chattering a bit. Get you around this here side. It's down here. Right there. See a bit of dark soil. Oh, is that a bit of greenness? See a bit of greenness just there. Right. Oh, what's that? Is it a buckle? Ooh, wow! Oh my god! How about that? It's a cross! Is that it? Let's check. It might have been a chain that rusted away. Oh, yes, what a find! What a find! It's a little religious cross. I wonder how old that is. Anything on it? Right. I'm going to let this dry out. And then give it a bit of a light brushing. And I'll get back to you. Yeah, there you go, look. I've cleaned the cross, but I'm not going to clean that because that's going to, if I tried doing that, it'd just fall to bits. So, and this bit fell off as I was walking along. So I'm missing the arm now. unless it was there in the first place, I don't know. But yeah, some sort of a, almost like a woody type material on the surface, and then it's got this weird notch down the bottom there, look. So yeah, I don't know how old that is. Shouldn't think it's that old, but obviously went round a chain, so it was a great big cross to have hanging around your neck, wouldn't it? A great big one. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I got a banging one here. 48, 47, 46. Oh, could be silver. $12.45, could be silver. $12.45. It's right there. It's right here. I see a bit of dark soil. I don't think it's going to be silver. Oh, there's a coin. I can see a coin. It's, what is it? 2p or not to p. 2 pence. Pesky thing. Yeah, 2 pence. Ugh. Got a date 1987. Ugh. Oh, we got a nice one down here. Don't know. Could be in pesky moo tube. Right there. Oh, what's that? I can see something. What's that there? It's not another wheel weight, is it? It is. It's another wheel weight. Someone been using this field as a rallycross field. Ugh. Wheel weight. How many grams is this one? Has it got it written on there? Let's give it a rub on the magic trousers. No, it's not got a weight on it, but it is a wheel weight. You know, for your what do they call them? Getting your thing right. You know, balance. That's it, balance. Getting your balance right. Oh, we just found something down that hole. What's that? Oh, it's got a funny. Oh, is that handle? That's a handle. It's bent over. Oh, it's silver, isn't it? Is it silver? Oh no, it's an arrow. There's an arrow, look. Oh, I thought it was going to be silver then when I saw that decoration. I thought it was decoration, but it's not, is it? It's some sort of a lid. Some sort of a lid off of something. Look, the chrome's coming off, look. Yeah. Oh, it's got a bit of a fancy rim, so it's off Teapot or something. Lid of a teapot, possibly. Don't know. On to the next. Oh, that's it, me lovers. I can't take it anymore. I feel awful. I had a bit of a drinky poos last night. I mixed red wine with lager and whiskey. And oh, I feel awful. I think I'm going to go home with a hot water bottle and a cuddly toy and go to bed. Envisage me lying in bed with a cuddly toy, a thermometer in my mouth, looking worse for wear. Oh, yeah. Hopefully tomorrow. What's tomorrow? I've forgotten what day it is. Oh, is it Wednesday tomorrow or is it Thursday? Soon, anyway, soon, whatever day it is. Soon I'll be going out with Tony, hopefully. his days off work are on Thursdays. So hopefully we'll be going out with Tony soon. And I'm not going to touch a drop anymore. I'm not going to touch. I'm going to stop drinking this. Oh yeah, it was terrible. I did a video last night whilst I did, and I woke up in the morning. I thought, oh no, what did I say? So I deleted it. Yeah, it's true. If you ever get to see one of my videos, drunk Cleggy videos, I suggest you download it straight away, because it's liable to be deleted in the morning. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pull the plug early. I'm afraid. I just feel really awful. Oh, and the signals aren't very good today. Like, you know, the gods are against me. So hopefully you'll get a better video tomorrow. Cheers.